My name is Elliott Bennett. I work for Toolstation, and I've helped lead the project and the integration between eBay and Toolstation. Toolstation sells a variety of items predominantly to the trade, including power tools, hand tools, and bathroom products. From the beginning of our launch on eBay, we didn't have any item specifics, but once we added these, our sales increased 9 times. We look to add as many item specifics as we can, mirroring our own website for the breadth of information we already provide. We look to start with the most important specifics per category, but our end goal is to be as extensive as we possibly can. We learned very quickly to take eBay seriously. I would recommend that you use eBay's language, really embrace the platform and engage with the category managers. We sell thousands of products across hundreds of categories, so item specifics can vary, which is why we try to focus on key information per product. What's worked particularly well for us in terms of optimization is mirroring our own website. The incrementality of adding item specifics was huge for Toolstation. They've definitely contributed to our continued growth, which we believe has only just begun.
Get more tips and guidance from the eBay team by subscribing to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.